Hi, this is JT Olson. I'm the founder of Both Hands Foundation. The video you're about to watch is a fundraiser. All the workers you see have sent letters out to their friends asking them to sponsor them for the day while they work. All the money that's sent in will go towards the adoption fund because all the supplies have been donated by local merchants. So 100% of the money that people send in goes towards the adoption fund. So it's a beautiful thing. The widow gets blessed, an orphan is brought a little bit closer to home, and all the volunteers have a chance to give their life away for a day. I think you'll enjoy it.
Hi, we're the Vogels, and we've partnered with Both Hands organization. We will be volunteering to do some work at the home of a widow in order to gain sponsorship for our adoption process from the Philippines.
We have 3 biological daughters, and we are all excited about the opportunity to bring in another kid or 2 who needs a loving family. We are at the home of Miss Tammy Evers. She is a widow of about 10 years, and she needs a little TLC around her home. So with the help of our family and friends and your sponsorship, we are able to make a difference in her life and the life of an orphan.
This is a very humbling experience to have Diana and Roger and their friends come over and spruce up the house a bit. I have a lot of needs, but I'm so happy to be able to help them.
It's not too late to give or to donate, and we appreciate all the help.